Hi, today we are going to make a stylish app of sticky notes. You know that it's very useful. So for that purpose, we will be using a free tool that is Mestral. And in Mestral, there are many functions like coding, image generation, etc. etc. But today we will be using it as a canvas. And let's try. Can you make for me a professional sticky notice board with all functionalities? The user should be able to add sticky notice with options of color, date, and text. The sticky notes should be in grid style. So let's enter and see what happens. So this basically this Mistral is very quick. This is an iCoder, and you can use it for many tools. You can use it as a web search engine. Similarly, you can create images with the use of this Mistral. And Mistral is basically a useful tool. So here the sticky notice board is generated. Let's check it. The first note, high note 1, and we can basically enter the date from the calendar and pick the color, add note. So this note is added. Now we can make another note, high note 2, and let's change the date to 13 and choose the color blue and add note. So the note is added. Now let's try another sticky note, high note 3. Let's choose a date, and this is the date 14. So and let's choose the yellow color. So enjoy. You can copy the code as well and deploy it on your website as well. So thank you so much for today.